For the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on this PC. Then we're going to right click on our C drive and then click on Properties. And then we're going to click on Tools. And then you're going to click on Check. And then click on Scan Drive. You can run this scan in the background as you do the other steps in this video. Once the scan has been done, it will tell you if there's any errors. And if there are, then it will fix it for you. For the second step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once we're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and click on enter. And you want to run the scan in the background as well. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and then type in run. Click on enter. Once we're in the run box, we're going to type in temp and click on enter again. And then these are all your temporary files. We're going to click on Control A and then delete all of them. If you get this, click on do this for all current items and click on skip. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in task manager. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on startup apps. And then you want to disable all the apps that you don't want to start when your computer turns on. The way to disable it is by clicking on it and then click on disable. And then the status will be changed to disabled. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once we're on this, we're going to expand display adapters. And then we're going to right click on our graphics card and click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. You want to make sure that the best driver has already been installed. If it hasn't, then install it. But if it has, you want to go back and then click on browse my computer for drivers. And then click on let me pick from a list. Then you want to select the second one that comes up and then click on next and install it. After you do everything in this video, restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.